a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss one more program to know the default values of numeric data type. So let's start. All variables in Java have default values, unlike C++. Let's understand with the help of an example. So let's switch to the IDE Eclipse, where we will execute a Java program and understand the default values of all numeric data types. So viewers, here we are at the Eclipse IDE. So here we will go and then click on this button and press the Java project options. Here we will type the name of the project as PRG6 and then press the next button, and now I'll press the finish button. Now first we will give the module name as PRG6 and then create it. So here you can see the module PRG6. First we will delete this, right click on it and then delete the previous class. Now we'll click on the src folder, right click on it and select new option. From here we will click at the class option, and now it asks us to give the name of the class, so we'll give the name as program and click on this checkbox, which is very important because we need to create a void main method, which is very important in Java language. So we'll click on this checkbox and then click on the finish button. So here we are, viewers, in public class program. First we will give the name as program PRG6, name of the project, and now we'll give the description as default value of numeric data type. So now we will type all the data types with variables in the class program, and first we will type the data type byte and give a variable name as b. So we will just declare it, we will not define any variable, just typing the name of the data type and then type the name of the variable short as sh. Now we'll declare integer as an I and then long as an L and float as a F and double as D. So all these variables are declared in the class program, and then we will type one more method named as public void show parentheses, and then under this structure we will type system dot out dot println for displaying the output, and in this parenthesis followed by a terminator semicolon we will type byte space colon space and then type plus b. So whatever is assigned in this b will be displayed on the screen. Since we did not give any value and didn't assign to any of all these variables like b, s, h, i, l, f, and d, so whatever the default values in Java will be displayed on the screen. So we will, since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 data types, so we will make a copy of system.out.println statement 5 times 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will press enter and then take all these system.out.println statements on the next line. So second data type is short, so we'll type short over here and then type the name of the variable sh. Likewise we'll type int for integer and then type I. Likewise for long we will type long, then here we will type plus L. Likewise for float we will type float, FLOAT, and then type over here plus F, and then type for double we will type double, enclosed in double quotes. Please keep it in your mind that whatever is enclosed in double quotes will be displayed as it is on the screen after executing the program, whereas the variable names with plus symbol outside of the double quotes, here the values stored in these variables will be returned. Since we have not assigned any of the variables any value, so whatever the default value will be displayed on the screen. So in the public void show structure, we have used the system.out.println output statements used to show the output, and over here in the static void main we will type program object obj equal to new program. So we're gonna use an object and then use to show the so we have declared obj and use as an object and type dot show. So this object is gonna return the output used in the show structure, which is a method show. So under this under the structure of the show method, whatever the output will be displayed on the screen. So let's go to the run program button, and over here we'll click on the Java application from the run as option and press the OK button. So viewers, you can see that our program is successfully executed, and you can see all the default values of byte, short, integer, long. But if you see in with float and double case, you can see decimal places, but in long, integer, short, and byte you can see integer values. So our program has successfully executed, and then we have learned that the default value of numeric data types always provided by Java. If we don't assign any value to any variable of any data type, Java is going to return the default values of the variable of any data type. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.